Ever wondered how crucial ecological cleaning is, not just for the environment but for personal health too? Let's dive in and explore some effective ways to incorporate ecological cleaning into daily routines. Ecological cleaning, also known as green cleaning, is more than just a trend. It's a way to ensure a healthier lifestyle and a more sustainable world. The first step towards ecological cleaning is to understand its essence. It's about reducing waste, using less water, and importantly, using cleaning products that don't harm the environment. Now, let's move on to some practical tips and tricks for ecological cleaning. 1. Switch to eco-friendly cleaning products. Look for products with ingredients derived from plants, not petroleum. These products are typically biodegradable and non-toxic, making them safer for both your home and the environment. 2. Make your own cleaning products. It's easier than you might think, and it allows you to control what goes into them. For example, vinegar and baking soda can work wonders on a wide range of cleaning tasks. 3. Use reusable cleaning supplies. Instead of disposable wipes and sponges, opt for reusable microfiber cloths, old t-shirts, or towels. 4. Conserve water. It's a precious resource. Be mindful of how much water you're using when cleaning. A bucket of water can often do the job just as well as running water. 5. Recycle. If you must use disposable products, make sure they are recyclable. And don't forget to recycle the containers of your cleaning products once they're empty. 6. Compost. If you have a yard, consider composting your organic waste. This can provide valuable nutrients for your garden and reduce the amount of waste going to the landfill. 7. Educate yourself and others. Knowledge is power. The more you understand about ecological cleaning, the more effectively you can incorporate it into your lifestyle and inspire others to do the same. In summary, ecological cleaning is beneficial for both health and the environment. It involves using eco-friendly products, making your own cleaning supplies, using reusable items, conserving water, recycling, composting, and spreading awareness. Remember, every small step towards ecological cleaning contributes to a larger impact. It's not just about cleaning, it's about adopting a sustainable lifestyle. The journey towards ecological cleaning is not a one-day task. It's a continuous process, a commitment to a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world. So here's a thought to leave you with. What small step can you take today towards a more ecological cleaning routine?